Hello guys, Steve here, ShenRC with the LOSI LMT Sunuva digger. We got snow, it's cold as hell. It's actually 18 degrees I think right now, or 20. And we're gonna give it a run on the snow here. See how she goes. There she goes. This is gonna be like live footage. I'm not doing no walking in the snow. Oh, that didn't work out good. Oh, she's stuck. Oh, good man. I gotta get out of here. This is the salt stuff in the road. I gotta go over here. This looks pretty nice. Let me see. Oh no, that's a wall. Oh! Yeah, this is using all its power. Let's see if it goes in the deep stuff on the ball field. It's like powder. There we go. Here we go. Oh, that's hard for it to go in. Oh, it's bogging. This ain't the type of snow. Look at this snow, guys. It's like ice crystals. Oh God, it's filling up. Weighs a ton. Try to shake it out. Holy crap. That's putting a strain on it real bad. At least I'll have the only RC tracks on this snow. It's cold as hell. Oh! crazy. Oh, thought I was gonna get stuck. Oh, flipped in the snow. I can't take this, I'm frozen. The LiPo batteries don't really last long in this cold neither. Oh. Oh. I'm the only idiot out here in this freezing weather. Oh, that was a nice jump. Oh, what am I doing? That isn't what I wanted to do. That's what I wanted. Oh, low voltage already, guys. That was a 5200 pack. You don't get much run time. Holy smokes. That's it. Let me try shutting her down. Where's the button? Never could find it when you want it. I think she's done for. There it is. Turn her back. Alright, it's probably gonna shut right down, but anyhow, hope you enjoyed this one. That was a quick rip. Doesn't matter for me anyway, because it's like 19 degrees and I'm frozen. I can't stay out here anyway. So I'm gonna pack this beauty up and head home. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Hope you like this. This one's fun in the snow, but this stuff's really loose and like crystal, so it was like kind of bad for an RC. I'm lucky it even got through it. Anyway, I had a blast, even though I'm freezing. My fingers and toes are numb. I gotta go. Thanks, guys, for watching. If you're new watching, subscribe, hit that bell, give me the likes, comments, helps the channel. I'll see you next time. See if I could just clean the tires off here. And if I don't... Oh, there's low voltage. I'm out of here. Later, guys.